AI is all the rage. And one of the big questions we're getting asked all the time is how can I tell if tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Copilot, go down the list, is directing traffic to my website? Believe it or not, there's an easy thing you can check in Google Analytics 4 that will give you all the information you need. This is how. The first thing you're going to want to do is log into your Google Analytics account. And from there, you're going to want to make sure you're in the right property, and we're going to dive right in. The first thing you're going to do is click on Reports, and then in Acquisition, followed by Traffic Acquisition. Now, this will give you a pretty standard display screen, and what you're going to want to do is change the drop box here at the main part and change it to session source. And this is going to give you a list of where your traffic is coming from based upon individual sessions. So we're going to dive in and type in ChatGPT first and just get a sample of if there is any traffic coming there. And we can see that a nice little chunk of traffic is showing up. Now, we know that not all of the AI platforms are as popular or is driving as much traffic, but ChatGPT will give you a good sampling of how much traffic is coming from those generative AI platforms and search. So we're just going to do another search here for Copilot, one of the growing Microsoft tools that leverages AI, just to see what kind of traffic. And that one's still a little late to the game, so that one will be coming along a little bit later. So as we go through and look at some of the different samplings of the AI platforms, we can then turn around and we can even dive in to the data and start seeing where the traffic geographically is coming from. And in this instance, we're sorting by region. So this is going to be kind of a state level search from United States version, but you can also see some of the regions that are mapped out that are international. So you can see a pretty even spread through this. But one of the things that I'd like to call out here is you look at the average time of the sessions, and you can see some of these are a pretty deep dive into the time on site. So as you go through and look at all this, you can start getting a really good idea of what kind of traffic is coming to your website from the AI platforms and give you an idea of where that traffic is originating as well. Now that you've got an idea of where you can find information about the AI traffic coming to your website, we'll next dive into how can you track this over time. So in our next video, we'll talk about creating segments and applying them to an audience. Hopefully catch you on that one.